Warm greetings. I am Arshdeep Kaur, student of class 12th from Rajiv Gandhi Navodaya Vidyalaya, Khatima, Udham Singh Nagar, Uttarakhand. At first, I want to give my heartfelt thanks to Inspire Award family for providing me such an incredible chance. So, if I talk about my journey, it all started. I was a student of class 8th, and my guide teacher, Mr. Nirmal Kumar Nyolia, encouraged us to submit the ideas for Inspire program. As I am the daughter of a farmer, so I am deeply connected to agriculture. So मेरा जो idea था वो भी agriculture से ही related था. My idea's title was Improved Drum for Storing Food Grains. जो हम अपने घरों पे आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग ग्रेन्स को स्टोर करके रखते हैं एक ऑर्डिनरी ड्रम में, उन्हीं में मैंने कुछ चेंजेस करे थे ताकि हमें जो प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं ग्रेन स्टोरेज में वो थोड़ी कम हो जाए. मेनली मैंने एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम को ऑब्जर्व किया था. क्या होता है कि जब हमारे ग्रेन्स से ड्रम जो है वो फुल रहता है तब तो इजीली हमारे ग्रेन्स निकल जाते हैं, बट जब एंडिंग का ग्रेन बचता है तो उसको निकालने के लिए हमें बहुत दिक्कत आती है. तो हम वी हैव टू जस्ट टिल्ट अप द ड्रम और वी हैव टू पुट हैंड इनसाइड द ड्रम फॉर टेकिंग आउट द ग्रेन्स. So to overcome that problem, I gave slope at the bottom of the drum so that grains can easily slide over, get out from the drum, and the problem will be solved. But after giving the slope, देयर वॉज अ ड्रॉबैक कि उसका जो ग्रेन्स स्टोर करने का जो स्टोरेज एरिया था वो कम हो गया. तो उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए मैंने उस स्लोप को परफोर्टेड बनाया और उसके अपोजिट पैनल पर मैंने दूसरा डोर दिया. उस डोर के थ्रू हम दवाई को प्लेस करेंगे. ड्रम वॉज गेट डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 चैम्बर्स. सो नीचे वाले चैम्बर में जब हम दवाई को प्लेस करेंगे सो that fumigant or whatever pesticide we will place, that will get evaporated through the pores of the slope and show their effect in the grains. जिससे क्या होगा कि हमारे जो grains है वो insect से भी safe रहेंगे और easily वो retrieve भी हो जाएंगे. ये आइडिया मैंने अपने घर पे ही एक एक्सपीरियंस स्टील फैब्रिकेटर से डिज़ाइन करवाया अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ माई गाइड टीचर एंड माई फादर. जब वो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रेडी हो गया उसके बाद द टाइम केम टू रिप्रेजेंट इट एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल. जो मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन थी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे इट वॉज नॉट गुड एट ऑल, बट आई गॉट सेलेक्टेड फॉर स्टेट लेवल. सो फॉर रिप्रेजेंटिंग मी एट स्टेट लेवल आई वर्कड ऑन माई प्रेजेंटेशन and my presentation was good at all from my side at state level, and I also get selected for national level. And also at state level there are many highlights, like we got opportunity to explore real science at UCoast Vigyan Dham, and also many lectures and talks with experts and scientists. After getting the selection for national level, we got a mentor workshop at UCoast Vigyan Dham by many expert, and उन्होंने हमें suggestions दिए कि किस तरीके से हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट को और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं ताकि हमारे नेशनल लेवल पे हम उसको और अच्छे से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकें. Then the time came for national level. I was very happy, excited for seeing whole India at a platform and just exploring different problems related to different states and their innovative solutions. And थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस भी थी कि किस तरीके से मैं इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करूँगी, how to do all this. But my national level presentation and experiences were all good. मुझे काफ़ी सारे experts के साथ high dignitaries के साथ interact करने का मौका मिला. But I was not very confident about my selection in top 60 ideas, because as I see my and other projects and other colleagues, so I was not very sure that I will be get selected, but I was satisfied that I have represented my state at such a huge level. After that the day came of prize distribution. I was very nervous for the result announcement, and the sir came to me and he just said that you got selected. At that moment I was unstable and the moment was unbelievable for me, but finally I got honored by Dr. Jitendra Singh, head of Department of Science and Technology. After this ceremony, I got recognition in many media and press, and also at many schools at my district level, state level. Also, I got opportunity to share my experiences in different schools and encourage the young minds who can give their innovative idea. After that, I got chance to participate in Sakura Science Exchange program, which was led by Japan and through Government of India. There I got opportunity to interact with many young minds of Japan and the brilliant scientists of Japan and other eminent personalities. At first day, we got opportunity to visit embassy of Japan and India and Tokyo University. At second day, we got opportunity to go at AIST and JAXA Space Center of Japan, and at third day we gone at Sophia University, and fourth day it was such a memorable day for me as I got opportunity to interact with my age students of the schools at the School of Japan Urawa Ichijo. And the fifth day we got it was a close ceremony, and we also visited at that day Miraikan Technology Museum, and it was very experienced and informative day for us. And at the last, when I came back India, I got many prizes and also opportunities to share my all over experience, as Japan is known for its technology, to share the technology of Japan and whatever I gathered up from there. In all of this, my journey, my guide teacher, my parent, my school, my state all cooperated with me and supported me a lot. I'm very thankful to all those who are behind my such a successful journey, and I am very happy for that. Thank you.